Let's have a look at unit vectors. Now, a unit vector is a vector that is 1 unit long. Now, if I want to do the unit vector for W, at the moment, W is 1, 2, 3, 4 units long. So let's just write out W's got a magnitude of 4. And vector W is -4 and 0. So what if I wanted to do 1 unit along? Well, what I would do with this is I would just go along, instead of going along 4 units, I just go along 1 unit. It gives me that. So this one is, the unit vector is -1, 0, and the magnitude of that is 1. And you can see it's going in exactly the same direction as vector W. It's parallel to vector W. So how would we do this for another one, such as A to B? So for U. Well, U at the moment is 3 along and 4 up. So what I need to do is to do what I did with W, is find the length, the magnitude of U. So a bit of Pythagoras, the magnitude of U is 5. And what I do is I want to divide each component in there by 5. So the unit vector becomes 3 over 5 and then 4 over 5. What I could also write is 1/5 outside if I've got a particularly tricky number, and then inside 3 and 4. Now, how do I know that that's definitely the unit vector? If I go, it's going to go along 3/5, so it's just along that bit, and then up 4/5. It should still be parallel. So I'm just doing this by freehand here, and it goes up to there. So that's where my straight line should be. It should just be along a little bit on that one there. You can also square this. When I square those two numbers, I get 9 over 25. So I'm just squaring that x part, squaring this part here to give me 16 over 25, and then find the unit by just square rooting, which is going to give me 25 over 25, so I've got 1 unit. What happens if we've got one like this? Well, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So V is 4 minus 4. So I'll work out the magnitude of V, which is going to give me the square root of 32. 16 squared and 16 squared. The unit vector in the direction of V, well, 32 can be written as 16 times 2, which is 4 root 2. So I would be doing 4 divided by 4 root 2, or in fact leaving it outside here like this. It's so much easier. And that's the unit vector in the direction of V.